guys, it's Teresa over at Blessed Forever Candle Company. How is everybody doing on today? I pray my video reach everybody in good health. Happy Saturday. I brought you guys along. As you can see, what the video is titled, unboxing, cleaning the candle studio, and launching my business. If you already received the email, if you're subscribed already to my email list, you received the email stating that the date that we're launching. We are launching May 7th. We're super excited about the launch, and we can't wait for you guys to try out our products and give us your feedback. So in today's video, that's what you're gonna be experiencing. A lot of cleaning up the candle studio, a lot of organizing, getting my shipping table prepared for me to be shipping out the orders. As you can see, I already started working on my shelf, getting things lined up, so because I'm getting ready to fill my candles, carpet freshener, room sprays, and my wax melts. So getting everything put together. We're not gonna talk too long today, but I'm gonna go ahead on and read my Be Still and Know That I'm God scripture out of my box. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done so we can get right into the video, because I got so much work to do. So let's see what I pull out today. Psalms 40:8 NCV version. My God, I want to do what you want. And you can read this in the King James Version or the NIV. My God, I want to do what you want. Psalms 40:8. And like I always say, that's somebody's word. I know it's my word because I want to do the work of the Lord. I want to do what's in the Lord's will, and I want my life to line up with his word and with his will that he have over and for my life. So I know, other than me, that's somebody's word. So with that being said, I gave you guys all the updates. You're going to get to see me cleaning, unboxing, organizing the candle studio. Oh, and a quick update. Wooden Wick Co., I think it changed to Makesy, their name. They have more of those. Everybody who was asking me about the black sleek wax melter, they have more, but instead of ordering the one that I have already, I ordered a larger one. They also have a larger one, guys, on the website, and it's available now. So if you want to go ahead and take a look, if you was one of the ones that was asking me about it, they have a different one, same color, black and sleek, same style, just larger. So I already ordered me one, and I'll show you guys as soon as it come in. So let's get right into the video. unbox these. I already unboxed these with you guys, so I didn't want to do that again with you guys. So I just wanted to show, well, I can't get in that one, show you guys what's in the box. This is my jars. I guess I can't get in it because the glove on. Let me try the other hand. My black matte jars from 1617. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. But I just cleaned this part of the shelf. So I just wanted to bring you guys, I want to show you what I'm doing. I'm gonna put the camera up to stay soon, but I'm getting the big parts taken care of. And I'll be back. I just didn't want y'all to do this. I already unboxed those, and that's pretty boring just to sit there and unbox all those with you guys. So I'll bring you back on to unbox some Sticker Mule products, Amazon products, and some Uline. Bring you guys back on in a minute. This is how it's going. Guys, these are the two boxes from Uline. As you can see, they're the same items inside our boxes. And my carpet freshener containers. I need the containers now. I'm using them as I stock the shelf up top, so I had to show you guys. Bring you guys back on before I finish putting the jars up, because I'm not using the boxes until we get ready to clean off the table. So I wanted to show you guys. So, if I can zip it, let's see. Let me move these boxes out of the way. I just ordered all my shipping boxes, guys. Both Uline big boxes have the same. I ordered just 2 of the same thing, so I can have enough of shipping boxes to ship out the orders. I have to get some more, 2 more sizes. And Uline, it takes 1 day, so. Hey guys, thank you for joining me, coming over and watching my video. Welcome, welcome, welcome again to all of my new subscribers. I hope you guys are enjoying the video this far. Guys, I just wanted to bring you guys along while I get my candle studio set up for this lunch on May 7th. So I just wanted to bring you guys along. You guys can watch me set up my candle studio. I had to do a lot of organizing, so it's going to be a part 1, also a part 2, because I haven't even showed you guys the items that I received from Amazon, Sticker Mule. And also, I didn't get a chance to, do my packing table. So it's going to be a part 2. But thank you for watching this far into my video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So not going to bore you and talk, continue to talk. I'd rather you guys enjoy and watch the video. But I just wanted to come on and say something instead of just letting the music play. But I play the music for entertainment purposes only. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Be blessed, and see you guys soon with part 2 of the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe if you are enjoying the videos and if you want to join and be part of the Blessed Forever family. Thank you guys again.